The Portable Hardness Tester from Qualitest is a top quality and competitively priced and can conveniently assess hardness with precision anytime and anywhere. These instruments are ideal hardness testing tools where large samples, which cannot be carried to a traditional tabletop hardness tester, or specimens with hard-to-access areas are to be tested. A wide variety of portable hardness testers offered by Qualitest ensure that we recommend the most suitable model for your application. The extensive selection of our portable hardness testers is available from low-cost economy models up to advanced models coming with more features. These models can measure the hardness of your materials in Rockwell, superficial Rockwell, Brinell, Vickers, Webster, UCI, Leeb Scales, and often conversions can be done. We understand that every industry has unique needs and requirements. These are some types of our portable hardness testers you can choose. Qualitip Plus, UCI Series, King Brinell, Magnetic Type QualiMag Series, Telebrinneller System, Portable Brinell Tester, Qualitip 2 Plus, New Rebound Type Model by Qualitest, Webster Hardness Testers, Metal Test Wireless, Metal Test MK2, Hartip 3000 Plus, Qualitip 3, H1000, HRC Single Rockwell C Scale, Brinscan Automatic, Brinell Scope, Ames Portable, Rockwell, Wireless Model, eDynatest, Wireless Portable, Hardness Tester, eComputest, Wireless Model, eHandy. Don't see the types you are looking for? Contact us today. We can recommend the best portable hardness testers to fit your needs and budget. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and visit worldoftest.com to learn about our range of advanced technologies.